Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to customize the download settings on your Chrome app. So tap on these three dot options, go to downloads, and within the downloads I currently do not have any downloads. I can just tap on this gear icon here, and here I have option to choose where to save the files. So if I enable this option, it will ask where to save the files, and it will also have the option to automatically open the PDFs. So I can just enable this option, which will automatically open the PDF in the PDF viewer. Now unfortunately I cannot change the download location, but if I enable this toggle switch, ask where to save the files, now when I save any file, any PDF file in Chrome app, it will choose where to save the particular file, and I can choose that particular location within my phone storage to save the file. So in this way you can manage your download settings and change the download folder if you want. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.